These are linishing attachments. They suit a variety of grinders and they're easy to fit. Our base model attachments come in 915 and 1220mm sizes. They suit most 200mm bench grinders, including the new HAFCO Metalmaster HG range. They are super easy to install using 4 bolts, and the angle adjustment is made with the 3 nuts on the inside of the wheel. The belts use a quick change mechanism for fast and safe replacement. They have a belt tracking lever and a large working surface on both sides, perfect for square and round finishes. They turn your conventional grinder into a linisher, allowing for a finer, more controlled surface finish. The deluxe range comes in 915mm and 1220mm sizes. They also include a miter table, toolless quick action angle adjustment, a lever belt tensioning system, fine belt tracking adjustment, a removable second platen table, and a tool rest that can be attached in 3 configurations for optimal adjustment and customization. These linishing attachments are a great way to customize your bench grinder and get the most out of your workspace. For more information, call your local Tools for Industry rep or go to t4i.com.au.